Welcome to this week's vlog, and a lot has been going on this week. I'm going to start with blue tongue. We've had some absolutely devastating outbreaks in flocks and herds, particularly across the southwest of England, but in other cases across England and also of course in Wales. Please do speak to your vet about what you can do to protect your flock and herd. We are aware that it is difficult at the moment to get hold of vaccine in some areas. We're working on this. Keep in constant dialogue with your vet. I'm now going to hand over to our sector chairs for their thoughts on the weather.
As harvest 26 draws to a close and attention starts to turn to establishing harvest 27, it's really important that we reflect on the harvest that we've just had. Please take the time to fill out the NFU post-harvest crop survey. It's really important for us to gather a true picture of the variation across the nation of NFU Cymru of all the different crop yields and qualities.
The poultry industry has really been struggling over the last couple of months with this unprecedented heat, with heat stress in both the broilers and layers. Me personally, we have been struggling with appetite suppressant in the hens, which has really affected egg production numbers. So we're really starting to struggle with that, and we're still pretty much in the thick of it now.
Here we are on the iconic River Wye of coastal heart of Mid Wales. As you can see, the levels are very low. The water is as clear as gin, which tells me there's no appreciable rain in the foreseeable future. Water is getting a problem on many farms, on the livestock farms in this area, that don't share access to major rivers like this. Water security is very important to our food security in this country, to hydrate our livestock and our crops. Food security is paramount to national security and maintaining a food supply for our population.
It's turning out to be a really difficult summer for dairy farmers in Wales. The grass growth here in the Myford Valley is next to non-existent. Fortunately, the early sown maize is doing a lot better, and that's really liking the conditions. But I know there's maize crops in other parts that have got off to a bad start and have never really recovered. So you can see the fans working overtime, making sure that the cows are kept cool indoors. Much of the time it's actually cooler in here than it is outside.
And the final part of this vlog is about wildfires. Yesterday I was with the Blorange Commoners Association where we met the First Minister to talk about the devastating impact of wildfires. It is absolutely heartbreaking to see what's happened. Farmers have put their own lives at risk to try and save their commons, their livestock and the urban areas around them. Some of them are still looking for livestock at the moment, not just in the area I was in, but right across Wales. We have to learn the lessons of this going forward and make sure this does not happen again. And if it does, we're well prepared.